Namaste everyone, welcome back and thank you for tuning in into this video. If this is the first time that you have landed up on this channel, hi, I'm Ishanya and I make videos about fashion, lifestyle and DIYs. And if these are the kind of videos that you really enjoy watching, do head to my channel and check out my other videos. And if you like those videos and the content that I have for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right below this video and also hit the notification bell right next to it so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So for today's styling episode, we have part 2 of monochromatic outfit ideas. Now this was a video I did a few weeks ago on the channel, so if you haven't watched part 1 already, I'll have it linked on the screen and in the bottom bar for you guys. Now monochrome styling is truly one of my favorites. It makes it look like you have put in a lot of effort in putting together and structuring your outfit, hence making you look really flattering and extremely put together overall without having to put a lot of efforts. So if you do like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe like I said. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section down below which your favorite outfit of all of these outfits were. And also, apart from the outfits that I will be showing you guys right now, I will also be picking up a few monochrome outfits that I have created in the past which I have absolutely loved and as have you guys. So I will also be attaching clips from my older videos as well so you guys have more ideas to work with. The first look is more on a subtle brown undertone. So for this one, I'm wearing a sheer shirt with a tank top in the same color palette along with these jeggings. To build up on the same color scheme, I'm adding these brown boots. I think it looks really nice. And bringing it all together is this bag and boom shakalaka, we call it a day. The vision that I had while creating this look was to keep the accessories the showstopper of this outfit, and boy can I complain. This undoubtedly is one of the most fantastic outfits I've created. Do you guys love this as much as I do? Tell me in the comments below. For pastel pink, I've used this top which I've used as a sari blouse in the past if you guys remember. Since this whole look has a really cute princessy vibe to it, I envisioned a pearl bag would go perfectly well here. For footwear, I really didn't want to go heavy duty, so I simply stuck to my basic white heels and gold hoops along with my gold watch, and that's it. This look is perfect for a cocktail party or even a family get-together and makes you stand out because of the really cute skirt and top combination which not many people sport during family gatherings. Next up, we have a super relaxed and cool college look. With a turquoise kurta along with mom jeans, it makes for the perfect college outfit for a hot summer day. To make this outfit a little more fun, I'll add this dupatta because adding oxidized necklaces is quite predictable, isn't it? And because it's a college outfit, I figured some nerdy glasses would go really well along with basic silver hoops and some OG silver bangles. Finally, a graphic tote bag with some chappals because we've got to be comfortable throughout the day, right? You can also try this one with open hair if it's not too hot for you to try that, and that's it. Beachy look for this one. Take a scarf and tie it around like a top this way. First around your neck and then towards the front. Don't forget to wear a tube top or something similar inside to keep you secure. Add any footwear of your choice. It can honestly also be chappals if it's a 100% beach look, and you're done. I believe if you also have something like a straw bag or a jute bag, it would totally be a cherry on top for this look. You can obviously wear your scarf in different ways like a tube top as well, but that's something mostly everyone knows, so I tried something different and I love how this looks. What do you guys think? easiest way to do a monochrome look is to match your kurta and leggings. This in fact most people already know about. So this one's an orange chikankari kurta and I paired it with regular orange leggings as well. Aiming for basic accessorizing, I've added some long earrings and a watch to keep it minimal. For a more chic look, I've added these pointy sandals which I think look so smart, and the best part about this look is that it is super duper easy to recreate. You can go ahead and experiment with your makeup, hairstyle, literally whatever you want. Play around with your style, and this one is an absolutely foolproof look. You can never go wrong with it. So I actually wanted to create this one using a white skirt, but I didn't have one, so I decided to go for a dress and just wore a black tank top over it. Of course, you can try it separately with a top and skirt. Next, I'll wear these black socks to coordinate with the color palette, and finally my white shoes to be super duper comfortable. This outfit is hands down the cutest outfit I've ever created and super impressive at the same time. Again, I've kept the accessories very basic and done a half updo for my hair. Black and white is such a classic juxtaposition and one can never really falter with its combination. Hopping on to some styles I've created in the past, this one with a deep purple top and a mauve skirt is such a gorgeous outfit. Both the top and skirt here are from Zara. The skirt I also used in my previous video, if you guys don't remember, to create a pink monochrome look. To match the snip buttons on the skirt, I wore gold earrings and didn't go heavy on the accessories because the top in itself is the highlight of the look. If you have a party to attend, college fests, etc., then this would make for a really nice outfit. Pastel colors are everywhere on the internet, and a lavender skirt like this is an absolute win for this trend. This one's a pretty chill look, as you can tell from my half bun hairstyle. So to style an oversized denim short, this one's my dad's. I've paired it with a basic white tee and denim shorts since denim and white is a timeless combination. Now folding up the sleeves for a more relaxed look and also to give it more structure because again, we don't want to look like a potato sack. Adding a watch or a bracelet and some earrings, you're ready. If you're going out for a picnic or hanging out with your friends, just anything where you want a fuss-free outfit, this one is your answer. It's super comfortable and extremely breathable. A monochrome lookbook would be incomplete without a red look, wouldn't it? Turtlenecks are a super chic way of adding elegance and class to your look because it instantly gives you a well-fitted structure. If you do go for turtlenecks with comparatively thinner material, you can also wear them during summers very easily. I've worn these beige colored loafers here, also very comfortable, and pulled my hair back in a half updo. I don't think there's much to talk about this look as such since it's quite self-explanatory in itself and something which is extremely versatile at the same time, for parties, brunches, movie dates with friends, just about anything. I believe red on red is already such a striking combination. You're sure to turn heads on this one wherever you go. Look, I wanted to do a black outfit. So this one's a really cool sweatshirt. Honestly, this is my favorite sweatshirt because I can dress it up, dress it down, even wear it to parties for that matter. Going ahead with my black boots and a leather jacket to make it cohesive with my leather pants, we're done. If you look closely, I've also done a silver eye look with this, which is perfect for parties, and a little blow drying for my hair should do the job of making this look a bomb one at that. You can also choose to add a matching bag too, would make for a gorgeous and super classy accessory alongside this one. The sequin work on this one already works as the center of attention, and the leather jacket over it is just a cherry on top. So that was it for this week's video, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give that thumbs up button a big smash and also subscribe to the channel before you leave, and I shall see you very soon in next week's video. Bye!